Hi guys, Miss Davis here. Today we're talking about Module 6, Lesson 13. And in this lesson we're talking about being able to add a pair of two-digit numbers when the ones digits have sums that is greater than 10. So looking at this, we have 34 plus 67 equals blank. So first thing that we're going to do, our first step, is that we're going to break apart both numbers the 10 way. 34 is 30 and then 4. 67 is 6 tens, which is 60, and 7 ones. Then we're going to add our tens together first, which we know 60 plus 30 is 90. Because the 3 tens and the 6 tens make the 9 tens, and the 0 tens make the 0. And now we have 4 plus 7, which you know 4 plus 7 equals 11. So we have to add those together. So we're going to add our ones first. We know that 0 ones plus 1 1 equals 1 1. Then 9 tens plus 1 10 equals 10 tens. So 90 plus 100 equals 101. So that means 34 plus 67 equals 101 as well. Alright guys, that is it for this video.